It's a 2022 Hyundai Santa Cruz. Sophistication, exhilaration, adaptation. This is the sport adventure vehicle for what drives you. And with features like these, every drive is a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, 4-wheel drive, auto shift manual transmission, express open and closed sliding and tilting sunroof, integrated navigation system with voice activation, inductive device charging, dual zone climate control, pearl coat paint, electronic shift on the fly, steering assist cruise control, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Hyundai's attention to detail means a better driving experience for you. You'll never know until you try. Test drive it today.
So come visit us on the Motor Mile, where you're always a name and never a number. Call, click, or stop in. We're conveniently located at 200 Motor Lane in Christiansburg, Virginia.